Almost went for 6. Now hitting hard through the leg side again.
Trouble.
Umar's down. Robbie Quiney.
Oh, no.
Don't do that. Let's hope not. Let's hope he gets up and flies away. Always been a feature of cricket around Australia, the Seagulls. In the outfield, Robbie Quiney now escorting him off the field. Gee, that ball was hit really hard, wasn't it? With no chance.
Oh, something big's happening.
Is it
In the crowd.
Bring us up to speed.
Mate, it's the Seagulls up on his feet. This is that's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery since Rick McCosker in the centenary test here at the MCG.
Tell you what, he did a couple of leaning jailers, Gilly. Did you see that? Did you see him up on his?
Don't be surprised if he jumps the rope right now.
He's a bit wobbly still, but he's
He's not happy with him. He saw what he tried to do to him earlier. Oh.
Come on,
Come on,
little
son,
fella,
get
get
moving.
yourself onto the ground.
getting their big deep breaths in,
Isn't he?
mouth wide open.
Jeez, the crowd have lifted.
Look at him eyeing off Bobby Quiney. We might have to try and talk him. Go, son! Kent McKay. That's been pulled out to the leg side. Oh, the bird, he's back! He wants in on the action again.
Jeez, he's gone right back to where he just got hit. The kid out of that area.
Oh, he's back in the danger zone.
I think he wanted to help Bobby out there. His mate who
Or he
helped
was
him up the
attacking him.
field. One of
I
those.
thought he could save another couple of runs there, I reckon.
That's his area, just deep mid-wicket.
Heavy breaths.
He's had
I reckon he's gone the ankle tap.
He's had a go
He's
at
gone
Bobby.
the ankle tap. Look at him.